Hello, Dale Baldwin over at Baldwin Construction. My name is Josh here at Midwest Valley Marketing. I want to send this custom video over to you guys. You spoke with my business partners over at Hanley Digital Consulting. They got your business information and want to get this video sent over to you, but on my behalf, I'll be doing it for them. So what we're going to do here is we're going to analyze a little bit of how you guys' presence is online currently. I see you guys do not have a website, but when I search you up, I can find you on your MapQuest with all of your citations like MapQuest, Yelp, BBB, Porch, Yellow Pages, Find Open, stuff like that. I also see that you guys potentially have a Google business profile. I assume that this is you. I may be wrong. The phone number does match with the one that I have. So we're going to go off of that. But because you guys do not have a website, what we're going to have to do is actually search for another company in Collinsville, Texas that does construction. So, for example, when we search construction in Collinsville, Texas, first thing that pops up is Patterson Premier Homes. So, that tells me that these guys are probably the top dogs because they pop up in the first spot of the Google business profile. They have 12 reviews. That looks great. They have 19 reviews down here. That's not bad either. Or we can go down here and we can look for the first ever organic website, which would also be the best one possible. So we'll go number 2 here. Buildrooms, builders, quotes, realtors, Facebook. So this is considered the organic section of Google because I'm not seeing a lot of them right away. I'm not going to waste a bunch of time doing it. So we're going to say that as of right now, these are going to be the ones we want to compare against. So we will take them and we will look at them to see what a good looking website should look like. And this isn't it, but we'll use it. Anyways, with that being said, we want to have good click-to-call buttons, floor plans, those stuff like that. We have home pages, builds, services tabs, listings, your plans, some way to connect with you. Those are all great and dandy. We also want to have content on our website, lots of content. Google absolutely loves content. They want 1,000 to 1,500 words of content on a home page and 750 to 500 every single service page. Having all this stuff is great as well, but these guys don't have a very big website, so I don't know how great their results are going to be. But what we do is we actually copy and paste the URLs, and we bring it over to this tool here called Ahrefs. This is a paid tool we like to use. It shows us all of the data and backend for our SEO standpoint to figure out what you guys are at for backlinks, organic keywords, referring domains, and vice versa. And then we can compare them to somebody else. So we'll take Rick's Roofing as well. Doesn't look like these guys have a website. So never mind, we will use Hernandez Landscaping. And we will compare them as well on Ahrefs. But we want to figure out why these guys have what they have. I won't get too in-depth. I know it gets to be a little much when it's not looking at your website in comparison to you, but to get the gist of it is also just a fairly simple idea. So why we want to have good keywords and content is because of this column right here, our search volume. We're going to look at all these numbers. Premier Homes, right? These guys are getting 2,300 search volume in your area. Patterson Homes, these guys are only using their name, which is unfortunate that they're not ranking for any other keywords, which is exactly why we would take a company like this and see what they're doing. We can compare and contrast against all the companies locally, see who's got what, and we can take it all and put it into your guys' website. So same thing for these guys. These guys are not ranking for good actual service keywords, and this is actually a landscaping company. What a ridiculous joke. But again, we want that search volume, and we want to get those positionings up. Same thing with the backlinks. We want to go in and take all of your competition's backlinks and go and put them into your website. So with that being said, I know this isn't easy to do that since you guys don't have a website and something to compare with, but I hope that helps you guys understand the importance of having a great website, the importance of having a good Google My Business page or profile right here, as well as the SEO side of things and ranking it all out properly so that you guys can gain the popularity online and really to all the customers looking for your guys' services in your area. With that being said, Dave, I really hope this helps. Thank you and have a great day.